Hello everyone, today we are going to start about the chapter kinds of nouns. So there are five kinds of nouns. What are they? There are five kinds of nouns. Before only I have written all these things, so because of the time consume. So number one is proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is that a proper noun denotes one particular person or thing as distinct from every other. What is proper noun then? Proper noun is noun denotes one particular person or thing as a distinct from every other. Now, example, if I go for Paul is a student, Gita is our holy book. Now, Paul, we are mentioning a particular name. Now, Paul, we are mentioning. So, before only we have read, what you have read? That a proper noun denotes one particular person or thing as distinct from every other. Now, Paul is a student, Gita is our holy book. So, Gita, we are mentioning Gita. That means here, this example shows that this is the proper noun. Now, next we will go for common noun. What is a common noun? Common noun is that a common noun denotes no one person or thing in particular. No one person or thing in particular, but in common to all persons or things of the same kind. Like a common noun denotes to one more time I am reading the definition I am telling you. A common noun denotes no one person or thing in particular, but in common to all persons or things of the same kind. Example, a girl is dancing, a boy is jumping. Now, a girl is as a mentioning as a particular to all persons same kind, or the you can say that it, common to all persons or things of the same kind. But in thing in particular, a girl which is in particular a girl means the girl, a girl is dancing. Man, we are mentioning a particular common name, like a boy is jumping. Now this girl and boy, or the woman or the man, we can say, if I mention that woman, man, like that, then these are common noun. Now we will go for collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun is a noun which is the name of the number or of persons or things taken together and spoken to as one whole. Like that, a collective noun is a name of a number of person or things taken together. Here we have mentioned taken together means a batch of student. Now, if you go in the classroom, you'll see a whole classroom is sitting down there. Then we can mention that not all the students, we can say the children or students, but we will mention a batch of students. Now here, this batch is collectively counting the students. This batch is collectively counting the students. Now we'll go for army. A army of soldiers. We cannot say that the soldiers are standing. We have to say that battalion, or we can say this battalion is mentioning as army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. Now material noun. What is material noun? Now material noun, if I go for material noun, then a noun of material denotes the matter or substance of which things are made. Like example, the paper is made from grass. Now the paper is made from grass. The material noun. Which things are made from? Now a paper is made of grass. The table is made from iron. Now here we are mentioning that now this grass and iron is the material noun. What is the paper made of? Paper made of from grass. What is the table made of? Table is made of from iron. This grass and iron from which we are making কোন জিনিস থেকে আমরা এটা বানাতে পারবো? Example wise, I am in Bengal, I told you. কোন জিনিসে তৈরি হচ্ছে? Then this paper is made from grass, or the table is made from iron. This grass and iron is known as material noun. Now the last in the list, abstract noun. Abstract noun is that one. An abstract noun denotes some quality, state, or action apart from anything passing the quality. Now what is abstract noun? One more time. Abstract noun denotes some quality, gun. In Bengali we can say that gun. some quality, state, or action apart from anything passing the quality. Now, he is famous for his honesty. Now, here honesty refers to as quality. Now, here honesty is referring to as a quality. He is famous. He is famous for his honesty. This honesty is the abstract noun. Means the quality you are getting. Example wise, if I say that justice, example, then hardness, then poverty, example, poverty. These words are referring to as a quality. Justice, quality, hardness, quality, poverty, quality. These qualities are known as abstract noun. One more time I am telling you. What is the 5 kinds of nouns? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun is denoting some proper nouns like Paul, Gita. Paul is the student, Gita is our holy book. Common noun is collecting the names given to a particular commodity like girl, boy, man, woman, etc. Collective noun it is referring to the example collection of persons like a batch of students. This batch is referring to a batch of students. This batch is a collective noun. An army of soldiers. This army is referring to a collective noun. Army of soldiers. Material noun. The material noun which refers to the which things they are making with the material. Like the paper is made from grass. This grass is a material noun. The table is made from iron. This iron is a material noun. Abstract noun. He is famous for his honesty. Now, what is abstract noun? Abstract noun refers to the pure quality. Quality we can mention in that. Like he is famous for his honesty. Like example word, justice is there, hardness, poverty. These are the words which referring to the qualities. So these words are abstract noun. Now I will give you a homework. So before that, I'll give the homework in the WhatsApp group. So before that, I'm telling you, whoever have not done the homeworks, please kindly do the homeworks and submit to me. And I think you have all understand the thing what I make you to understand. So if you got any type of problem, just tell me in the WhatsApp. I'll make you understand clearly. So before that, I'm telling you, just complete your homework and show me. Thank you very much. Okay.